The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lucas County in south central Iowa, Monroe County in south central Iowa, southeastern Marion County in south central Iowa, western Wapello County in southeastern Iowa, southwestern Nebraska County in south central Iowa, until 1 a.m. At 12:01 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northeast of Bussey to Lavilla to 7 miles north of Melrose, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottumwa, Albia, Edaville, Ottumwa Industrial Airport, Lavilla, Beacon, Bussey, Bladesburg, Kirkville, Hamilton, Melrose, Chillicothe, Marysville, and Albia Municipal Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Lucas, Maska, Marion, Monroe, and Wapello.